Now let's take out the yellow color and make a mud ring with 7 single crochet. One, after we finished 7 single crochet in this ring, we pull this tail tight. And then we chain 1 to start row 2. For row 2, we will make 7 increase crochets. We stitch the first stitch, we still insert the hook into the slip knot stitch. One single. I recommend to use a stitch marker on each row of first stitch. Two increase. Three increase. After we finished 7 increase crochet, we make a slip stitch with first stitch, chain 1, and for row 3, we will make 1 single crochet and 1 increase crochet. First stitch, and next is increase crochet. We will repeat it all the way around. Single, increase. After we finished row 3 with 1 single crochet and 1 increase crochet, we slip. Now we first stitch, put it high, and chain 1. For row 4, we will make 1 increase crochet and 2 single crochet and repeat it 7 times. The first stitch is increase crochet. 1 stitch. We still need to insert to the 6th stitch. 1 increase, and then we will make 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and increase crochet, and then another 2 single crochet. After we finished row 4 with 1 increase crochet and 2 single crochets, we will make a slip stitch with first stitch and chain 1 to start row 5. For row 5, we will make 3 single crochet and 1 increase crochet. 1 single, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and 1 increase crochet. We repeat it all the way around. After we finished row 5 with 3 single crochets and 1 increase crochet, we make slip stitch with first stitch. Put it tight and chain 1 to start row 6. From row 6 to row 14, we will make 35 single crochet. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. After we finished from row 6 to row 14 with 35 single crochets, here we will need to change to the red color. Let's take out the red color yarn. And we made a slip knot with first stitch. We will put the red color and pretty tight. Chain 1. From row 15, we will make bed loops only. First, let's make the first stitch. Let's make our first stitch. We put the yarns over the hook so we can hide them. One stitch, and then we only do the bed loops. Still put the yarns over the hook. Bed loops with 4 single crochet and 1 increase crochet. We just make 2. Three, 4, and 1 increase crochets. And we repeat it all the way around. Now we can cut off the yellow yarn. I have finished row 15 with bed loops only 4 single crochets and 1 increase crochet. And then we make a slip knot with first stitch. And chain 1 to start row 16. From row 16 and row 17, we will make 42 single crochets. One, 2, 3, 4. Now I have finished row 16 and row 17 with 42 single crochets. Now we need to change to black color. Let's take out the black color yarn. We will make a slip stitch with first stitch. And we put the black color yarn. And then put it tight. Chain 1. So for black color, from row 18 and row 19, we will make 42 single crochets. After row 18 and row 19, with 42 single crochets with the black color yarn, from row 20, we will change to red color again. Now we can cut off the left red color yarn. Now I finished round 18 to round 19, 42 single crochets with black yarn, and for round 20 we will need to change to red color. Let's take out the red color yarn and then slip stitch with the first stitch. Put it high. Chain 1 and first stitch we still insert the hook to the slip stitch. Let's use a stitch marker on the first stitch, and then for round 20 we will do bell loops only. 42 single crochet. Now we can cut off the black one. After we finished round 20 bell loops only with 42 single crochet, we make a slip stitch with first stitch and chain 1. For round 21 we will make 42 single crochet. After we finished round 21 with 42 single crochets, we will connect it with first stitch and make a slip knot. Chain 1. From round 23 or from round 22 we will make 4 single crochets and 1 decrease crochet. Repeat it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 decrease crochet. Another 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 decrease crochet. We will repeat it to the end. After we finished round 22 with 4 single crochet and 1 decrease crochet, we will make a slip knot with first stitch and chain 1 to start round 23. For round 23 we will make 3 single crochets and 1 decrease crochet. We also repeat it 7 times. 2, 3, and 1 decrease crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 1 decrease crochet. We will repeat it to the end, and then we make a slip knot with first stitch, chain 1 to start round 24. For round 24 we will make 2 single crochet and 1 decrease crochet. 1, 2, and 1 decrease crochet. Another 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and 1 decrease crochet. We repeat it to the end. So after we finished round 24 with 2 single crochet and 1 decrease crochet, we will put some stuffing into the body. And then we will make a slip stitch with first stitch, chain 1. For row 25, we will make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease crochet. One single and then 1 decrease crochet, one single, 1 decrease, one single. Here we will cut the yarn and we will keep 30 centimeters. And then we take out the needle. We will make 7 decrease. We only made the front loops. We skip the first stitch from the second stitch and skip 1 stitch and to next stitch. Skip 1 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 to next stitch. And then we'll put it tight. And then we cut off the yarn. Now we will start to make the arms and the legs.